Nature. What is nature? Nature is beautiful. Nature is amazing. Nature is life. In short, nature is the wholeness of the existence on this earth. Nature beauty lasts max from 4.6 billion years old, and we changed it in 200 years. It is not like how it was 4.6 billion years old, but it has changed a lot. Once it was believed that there are 12% more trees on planet Earth than the stars in the solar system, but this number has decreased because of us. We cut trees for our home, but we did not realize that because of it, more than 900 species of animals have gone extinct. We cut trees for our own good. We kill animals for our own good. And we say that humans are the most intelligent animal on this earth. This is not intelligence. This is great. Intelligence means thinking about others, not only of us. If we do not stop the hunting of animals, then every loved animal of a child will be gone to extinct. There is more pollution and carbon, which is causing the increase in the greenhouse gases, and because of it, the hole in the ozone layer has increased because of human activities. Due to the increase in pollution and deforestation, there are more disasters than ever before. The 1900s Afghanistan storm, the 2008 Siachen earthquake, the 2019 and 2020 Australia wildfire, the 1815 Mount Toba eruption, the 1986 Lake Nyos eruption. It's not nature, it's us. The real problem is not global warming, it's environmental destruction. These disasters are the symptoms of us, because of us, because of our behavior. It's human activities, it's not nature. We should change. In coming 100 years, the situation will go more worse if we do not change ourselves. Lastly, I would like to only say that please save nature. Please plant trees. Please don't hunt animals. They are life and they need us, and we also need them. Please plant more and more trees and try to save those trees. And if you find someone who's cutting trees for unnecessary use, then please stop them, because we need trees. Share this message to all your friends and relatives and make aware about the importance of nature. The future generations need nature, and we should store something for them. So everyone, plant a tree today. Save the stray dogs and cats by giving them food. Keep a bowl of water for the birds, and make people aware about the importance of nature. Thanks for watching.